Hello and welcome to this video, friends. I will share with you step by step how to cancel GoSkippy car insurance. If you want to cancel GoSkippy car insurance, follow me in this video guide. So friends, the first step you need to do, you should be logging and access your account in my portal. Login with your portal and secure. This is the first step you need to do. And then go to this website, cancel your policy. This is a form. Write your field name here. From here, write your policy number. For example, this is your policy number. So friends, after that, when you write your policy number, write your all details, such your car, type of car, choose car or bike, for example, car in this case, write your email address. After that, choose your cancellation date. This one, as you can see here, choose your cancellation. You want to cancel, submit your date here. As you can see here, choose your all details, choose your reason for cancellations, for example, breakdown or something like this, and then click on this captcha, I'm not a robot. After that, click on submit. This is only way, friends, you can cancel your cancellation time. Choose your cancellation time, as I say. After that, friends, when you choose your cancellation time, choose AM or PM, choose your reason for leaving. So this is the only way you can do. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget, give like and give share this video for more content.